Yeah, very good morning, boys. Today we are going to discuss about different types of numbers. Last session we discussed introduction about the numbers, already learned from grade 7. So today we are going to discuss about types of number. What are the different types of numbers, under the what are the learning objectives, and also what why we are going to use the numbers and with examples. So I'm going to share the screen. Yeah, chapter 1 numbers, boys. First term. What are the learning objectives? What are things we are going to discuss today lesson? Numbers and types of numbers. We have the different types of numbers, right? So natural numbers, second one whole numbers, integers and prime numbers. Okay, what is mean by natural numbers? All positive numbers except 0 or natural numbers. I repeat again, all positive numbers except 0 or natural numbers. This is the first objective. Example, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is all positive numbers. But we are not writing example in 0, except 0. That means 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000, all positive numbers. Is it clear? Second objectives, whole numbers. All natural numbers as well as 0. That means what are the all natural numbers in the first objective? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All natural numbers as well as including 0. That means example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number third objective, integers. Number which not a fraction. I repeat, number which not a fraction but a whole number. That means, for example, not a fraction means is not 3 by 4 or 5 by 6 or 10 by 2. Number which not a fraction but a whole number. This can be either positive, negative, or 0. I repeat again, this can be either positive, negative, or 0. Example. So minus 3 definitely is the negative whole number, right? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 is all negative whole number, and also 0. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 positive whole numbers. So the example, it contains everything. This can be the positive numbers we have, negative numbers we have, and also the 0. Number 4 is very important, prime numbers. Numbers that can be divided by 1 and itself. I repeat again, it's most important. Numbers that can be divided by 1 and itself is called prime numbers. But 1 is not a prime number. I will tell you the reason with the next slide why 1 is not a prime number. I will show some different examples, and also we have some digital tools and the videos based on the prime numbers. I will show you, boys. Example. I wrote some example for prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. So, etc. So, boys, you need to practice from 1 to 100. From number from 1 to 100, you have to practice as a worksheet. I will give the worksheet, and also I'll show some homeworks I uploaded in the last page of the objectives today. So, just to go through it. So, do as the homeworks that one. So, before that, I'll show something. These are the math digital tools, boys. So just you can access, you can research. These are the very familiar and important website. You can access all the related topics, videos, tools, everything. First one is the PHET, and second one IXL, and Desmos for the graph. This is a beautiful digital tool for graph. Shudder and Manga Hive already we done the activity in the school, and Kogut, you know everyone, and Abaku and Nine Gaps app will be there. Mind Maple. So Mind Maple particular topic, if you want to some top, for example, numbers. So Mind Map you can get the complete information. Khan Academy, and the last one. This is the latest one. Equatia.texthelp.com. I'll show you some videos regarding this. So this is the best digital tool you can access, including the formulas. We can get all the formulas. Everything is a nice tools. So these are the digital tools, and also I upload in the LMS, boys. You can access this. If you have any doubt, queries, clarification, just approach me. I will explain these things. And So today we are discussing about last one, prime numbers, right? So these are the digital tools links. Just you can click the links, so automatically you can go to the respected video for the prime numbers. So I'm going to share now. Yeah, yeah. Listen, boys. Prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? The number, it can be divided by one and by itself, right? So I'm going to write some example numbers. For example, number 6. So exactly two factors. What are two factors for 6? 1 and 6, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3, right? So 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So exactly two factors, that is called prime numbers. 6 is the even prime numbers. 6 is the, now we need exactly two, but how many factors we got? 1, 6, 2, 3. We got four factors. That means 6 is not a prime number. So exactly we need two factors. Okay, another example, number 5. Factors of 5. 1 times 5 or 5, right? Next, 2 times 5 is or no, 3 times you can check no, 4 times you can check no, 5 times 1, 1 times 5 or 5 times 1, both are same, right? So 1 is one factor, number 5 is the another factor. So we got exactly two factors, guys. Number 5, we got exactly two factors, 1 times 5. So you have to check exactly two factors. Another example. So I'm going to write another example, number 7. So 1 times 7. It's 7, right? Yeah. 2 times 7, no. 3 times 7, just check. 4 times 7, no. 5 times 7, no. Definitely. Okay. 7 times 1. So 1 times 7, similarly 7 times 1, both same. So you have to consider as ones. So 1 times 7. So we have two factors. One is one factor, one number. 7 is the another number. So we got exactly two factors, number 7. So number 5 also prime, 7 also prime. Next, number 2. Okay, we can check 2, 1 times 2, right? Yeah, 1 times 2, 2. Next, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2. Keep on checking. No, there is no other possibilities, right? So we have exactly two factors for number 2. But 2 is the even prime number, boys. Big even number, right? 5 and 7 is the odd number. So 2 is the even prime number. But number 6 is not a prime because we got 4 factors. Okay, another example. Just a second. So 24. 1 times 24. Yes, then 2 times 12. 24 keeps going. We got more than 2. So 24 is not a prime number, boys, because we need exactly two factors. 24, we got four factors. Next one, number 1. Many of the boys make the mistakes, this one, guys. Even last year I checked number 1, whether it's a prime or not. 1 times 1, right? But we got the two factors but the same number, so that means 1 is not a prime number. Remember that, boys. 1 is not a prime number. We got two factors, 1 times 1, right? So 1 is not a prime number because the number 1 is repeating again. So 1 is not a prime, but 2, 1 times 2, 1 is one number, 2 is another number, two different numbers. So 2 is the prime number, 7, 5, 1 is not a prime. So I'm going to write some examples, boys. Number 2 is a prime, 3, 5, number 7. After 7, 8, no, 9, 2, 10, no, number 11 is a prime number. You can check, boys. 11 and 12, no. 13, yes. 14, not a prime number. 15, also not a prime number. 16, no. And then 17 is a prime number. Next is 19. After 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yeah, 23 is the prime number. Then 20, you just think about it. 24, no. 25, 26, 27, 28, no. 29. So 29, 31 keeps going till 100. So these are the prime number, boys. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. So just remember the concept by exactly two factors, that is called prime. More than two factors, that is not a prime number. Number 1 also not a prime number because 1 is repeating twice. So number 1 also is not a prime number. So this is the key concept, how to remember which is a prime number and which is not a prime numbers. Yeah, I hope you understand, guys. So I'm going to share some examples now. Yes, guys. So this is the homeworks for you boys, prime numbers. So from 1 to 100, just you can take the printout of this page, just you can try from 1 to 100, which is a prime number, which is not a prime number. So I have one shortcut for this, how to find out from 1 to 100. So I will show you in the next session how to practice. Just try as homeworks. If you cannot find out in the easiest way, so it's very difficult from 1 to 100, no problem. I can discuss with you in next session how to solve, how to, we have some shortcut how to find out prime numbers between 1 to 100. So I will show you in next session. Just try as the homeworks for these pages. Thank you, guys. I hope you understand about the prime numbers. See you next session on next topic. Thank you, guys.